Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to completely uninstall Discord from Windows 10 or Windows 11 with no leftover files, no registry entries and no hidden processes. Let's get started. You just need to use the revo uninstaller to completely remove leftover files and registry entries. To do this, check my video description for this download link, select the free download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, click on it and install the application. After the installation done, open it. Now in search, you just need to search Discord. Just right click on the Discord and select uninstall option and select continue. In scanning mode, select advanced and select scan option. And now you just need to select all option and select delete option and select yes. And again select all and select delete option and select yes. And this ensures Discord is removed 100%, including hidden folders Windows normally keeps. And that's it, guys. Discord is now fully removed from our Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If you want, you can reinstall a clean version anytime from discord.com. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.